Hello everyone. In this video I hope to provide you with a general overview of Dino-Lite digital microscopes and our product line. So let's get started. So what makes Dino-Lite microscopes different from traditional microscopes? First of all, traditional microscopes can be very large and bulky, and if you have limited space they can be very difficult to store. They can be hard to use or train people on, and they require a different lens for each magnification that you wish to work at. They usually require that you have samples prepared ahead of time, which can make them hard to use for non-destructive testing. And since there is no built-in camera, you will usually need to take pictures using your cell phone or purchase pricey camera solutions that mount directly to your microscope. In addition to all of these things, they can be very expensive. On the other hand, Dino-Lite digital microscopes are light and compact and are easy to store. They're extremely easy to use and to train people to use, and since they have variable magnification, you can work in a range of magnifications without changing lenses. Since Dino-Lite microscopes are so small, they can easily be used handheld, and they can be placed directly on the surface you're wanting to inspect. Images can be saved directly to your computer, so no additional camera equipment is required, and whether big or small, we have a Dino-Lite that will work within your budget. All Dino-Lite USB microscopes include free software that allows you to take photos and videos, perform measurements, and much more. This software is updated frequently, and you can always download the latest version for free on our website. You can also install this software on as many computers as you like with no additional charge. In addition to these benefits, all Dino-Lite products include free technical support for life and are backed by a 2-year warranty. Depending on your needs, many Dino-Lite microscopes include special features that you won't find on any other microscope in our class. This includes features such as AMR, or automatic magnification reading. This feature lets the software know what magnification you are working at and will display this value on screen. This makes it easier to work at a specific magnification, and since the software knows what magnification you're working at, you can perform measurements without needing to calibrate the microscope first. Of course, you can always calibrate the microscope further to achieve more accurate measurements. The next special feature I would like to talk about is EDOF, or Extended Depth of Field. Models with this feature can perform one-click focus stacking, which allows you to easily deal with depth of field issues. This feature works by automatically capturing images from different focal planes and stitching them together. Once the different images are captured, you will have a composite image in about 10 seconds with everything in focus. This process can capture images from either the top down or bottom up. Next up, we have FLC, or Flexible LED Control. This feature allows you to adjust the brightness of the LEDs on the Dino-Lite, as well as turn individual quadrants on or off to create angled lighting. This is helpful for revealing scratches and details on certain surfaces. If portability is important to you, you will be happy to know that we offer several mobile solutions. Most of our microscopes can connect to compatible Android devices using a simple OTG cable, or you can connect to iOS or Android devices using one of our wireless adapters. All necessary apps are available free of charge on either the App Store or Google Play. We also have many models available with different types of special lighting. The types of special lighting available include coaxial lighting, UV, IR, and even fluorescence. There are many different off-the-shelf wavelength configurations, but we can also do custom configurations.
So at this point, you may be thinking, with so many different options, how do I choose which model is right for me? Well, you can always give us a call and we'll be happy to assist you in choosing a model, but here are some general things to consider when deciding which model is best for your application. First off, what magnification do you require? Is 10 to 200 times enough magnification, or do you require more? Do you have a certain field of view that you are hoping to achieve? Or in other words, how much of the viewing area do you expect your subject to occupy when working at your required magnification? Do you require any of the special features that we just discussed, such as EDOF, AMR, or special lighting? And finally, do you need to have room underneath the microscope to work with tools, or do you have any other working distance requirements?
Our microscopes come in 3 main working distance categories, which are standard, long, and far. Most of the models in these categories can focus to infinity, which means you can put them as far away from your subject as necessary in order to have enough room to use tools or move the subject around. The difference between them is how much magnification you can achieve at a distance. So, standard working distance models have a magnification range of 1 to 230 times, and at 50 times magnification, you will have a working distance of approximately half an inch. Long working distance models have a magnification range of 1 to 140 times, and at 50 times magnification, you will have a working distance of approximately 2 inches. Far working distance models have a magnification range of 1 to 70 times, and at 50 times magnification, you will have a working distance of approximately 5 inches. So as you can see, as you move to the longer working distance models, you lose maximum magnification, but you can achieve a higher magnification at a distance. If you require higher magnification, we have microscopes with a magnification range of 415 times to 470 times, and our highest magnification models have a magnification range of 700 to 950 times. If you require higher magnification than what we are able to achieve with our standalone units, or if you would simply like to upgrade the capabilities of your existing microscope, we have a line of eyepiece cameras. These eyepiece cameras work with about 90% of traditional microscopes on the market. You can mount them into either the eyepiece slot on your microscope or use them in the trinocular port if your microscope has one. And these cameras work with our same free Dino Capture software to allow you to take photos, videos, perform measurements, and more. We have well over 100 accessories available for Dino-Lite microscopes. These range from a variety of desktop stands, motorized inspection stages, backlights, and many, many more. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this quick overview of our products. If you have any questions or need help picking out a solution that will work best for your application, please email us at sales@dinolite.us and we would be happy to help. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to hear from you soon.